So, the fact that I'm still here means Erica did not dispose of me. I did get some dirty looks. I did officially get the silent treatment for a while, but all is well. I did manage to fix the drone. It was as simple as reattaching the gimbal back onto the drone. So let's go ahead and do a test to see if it actually really works and make sure that I'm still going to be here afterwards.
From the house to drive to this lookout, and then we came down the mountain really quickly so that we would actually be here for the sunrise. We kind of weren't here for the actual sunrise still, but it's still really beautiful. We are currently the only people down here on the beach, and hopefully you can actually hear all of this with the waves in the background.
And this is one of the black sand beaches in Hawaii too.
It's more a black rock beach.
It's over here on this spot.
Kalalu. Aaron is quite the morning person on a normal day. I am less so a morning person. So he is running around doing lots of filming because he's getting all excited about it. And I'm just sitting here drinking the coffee that I brought from the house, enjoying the view.
So, I don't don't know the name of anything, and I definitely...
Palalu.
Well, Balolu? I don't know.
Po.
All I know is it's a black sand beach that we hiked down to this morning. Beautiful views. We tried to get the sunrise, missed it by this much. But either way, it's beautiful down here regardless.
And yeah, we were the only people down here for probably 20-30 minutes. So we just had the entire floor with the sunrise kind of staring at us.
And then it's crazy. These waves are pretty big. So when we were trying to surf the other day, they weren't that big, and I was still scared and trying to survive. It was survival mode all the way. But these locals coming down here, they're surfing on these big old things. There's this guy floating over there, and he's trying to catch a wave. I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera.
We'll hang out here a little bit longer. I'll drink my coffee. And then we're gonna try to get some breakfast. Break time. Alright, we made it up the valley. We are back in the car and we're on our way to find some breakfast before our second hike. Hopefully the place we really want to go to is open today, but it is Labor Day, so it could be closed. We'll see.
Whoa!
We just stopped by to get some cash. We're waiting for Lexi, Sarah, and Kinsey to all get into town. We got here a little earlier, but where we want to eat is open. So super excited. We're gonna get some food here shortly, and we're absolutely starving from our hike this morning.
Time for some pancakes. Woo! Curious what the size of these things. That's bigger than my head. There's two of them. Oh, you're good. You're good. Go for it.
Let me know if you want to see anything.
But for real, they're bigger than my head. This is one order. This is like, what was it? It's a special, so it's like $19. If you ever come to Waimea, Hawaiian style, you get all this for like $15 to $19, and it's cash only. Cash only. But
It would have been better if that was.
it was worth it.
My omelet has shrimp, onions, green onions, garlic aioli. I think it's delicious. It's not Aaron's cup of tea.
I keep staring at it thinking I'm going to be able to do this. But it's an impossible task. The odds definitely weren't in my favor. Maybe we'll have a couple more bites, but it's not happening.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh my gosh.
So we're kind of sitting here in the back of the restaurant figuring out what we want to do. We were going to go on a hike, but it's technically illegal. You can get fined, and it's actually dangerous if there are floods. So just laying in the grass, figuring out what we want to do.
I really want to do it, but I don't want to do it illegally. So we're gonna find another way and something else to do. And we'll probably end up at a coffee farm at some point today. We'll see. We need to find out what we're doing first, though. Since we are not doing the other hike, we decided to do this hike, which is much more sun exposed than we had anticipated today. So we lathered on sunscreen. We're gonna go to the top of the crater. It's only like 6 miles round trip, so it shouldn't be too bad.
There we go. We're going to that hill right here, starting here, going around.
This will be good scenery. And back down.
Not too bad so far. Mild incline. It is hot, but we just got some overcast, which is nice. Less sunburn, hopefully.
So you don't think about where you're at, you think about where you're going. Get there when I get to take a break next.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it
has a little bow under there.
Next winter better. We didn't end up making it. Kinsey was pretty tired. Lexi and Sarah are nowhere to be seen. So we're heading back down to a bench that we saw, and we're gonna stop, drink some water, eat a snack, and then we'll head the rest of the way back down. Alright, we drove up into this jungly region. We're at the coffee plantation. There's a little tour. We're gonna do some coffee tasting. Maybe have a full-size coffee afterwards. We'll see. This is a dark roast coffee. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one.
It's a combination of American and French roasts, bright and bold. You getting dark? I'm trying all of them.
The dark's actually not bad. This is a medium roast coffee.
So what are these ones? What's this one?
We want to get more.
It's a little hotter. I couldn't taste it because I was too shocked.
Sweet enough. It's not.
I might actually like the dark roast better than the medium. We'll see the. Okay. This is a light roast.
Don't get mad at me.
Yeah, I like the light roast the best. Light, dark, medium.
That's hot.
Okay, what's the decision?
A light roast. I just started drinking coffee. Of course, I'm not gonna like dark roast.
Oh, this is my favorite. I need a vacation from you.
Looks like we're not gonna go on this cute little nature trail. And everybody wants to go home. They're all tired and cold, so bye-bye nature trail.
I'm so hot. I'm so hot, dude.
All right, we just finished at the coffee plantation. They had some coffee samples. They walked us through the whole coffee mill process, which was interesting. We just kind of felt weird filming the guy who was actually giving the tour. But we walked away and did not buy anything, so that was successful. However,
Came close.
I really wanted the chocolate-covered pea berries, but I refrained. Now we're gonna go back to pick up the other car and then probably just chill the rest of the day. We've been up doing things for a long time already.
Nope.
So we'll see what the rest of the day holds, if anything. And scene.
Look at that view.
It is way too
This
close
view.
to my face.
Thing about video. Oh my gosh.
We just stopped.
It's a supermodel.
Where?
It's
There's a nug in the shot. There's a nug.
Could you get out of the shot?
No.